Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Yunus Ahmad. I am studying in 10th standard. Today I will like to talk about living organisms. Living organisms are everywhere around us. They are the plants, animals and even tiny microorganisms that we cannot see with naked eye. They are classified into different categories based on their characteristics, and all living organisms share certain features that make them unique. A living organism is defined as an entity that displays the basic characteristics of life. These characteristics include growth. Living organisms grow and develop. For example, a seed grow into a plant or a baby grow into an adult. Reproduction. A living organisms reproduce to create offspring. For example, a dog has puppies and a tree produce seeds. Response to stimuli. A living organisms response to change in their environment. For instance, a plant spins towards sunlight animals seek food when they are hungry. Movement. Most living organisms have ability to move. For example, animals move to find food or escape danger, and trees move their leaves for towards light. Respiration. A living organisms need energy. They get it through respiration. For example, human breathe in oxygen and plant take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Nutrition. All living organisms need food to survive. For human eat food for energy, while plants produce their own food through photosynthesis. Living organisms are classified into 5 main kingdoms. First, Monera is the single cell organisms like bacteria. They can live in many different environments, some of which are extreme, such as deep ocean winds and hot spring. Second, Protista are mostly single cell organisms like amoeba and paramecium. For example, amoeba is a single cell organism. They can move and consume food by engulfing it. Third, fungi organism like mushroom, yeast and molds belongs to this kingdom. Fungi absorb from other dead or living organism. For example, mushroom grow on decaying trees and help break down the material. Plantia. These kingdoms include plants like trees, flowers and grass produce their own food through photosynthesis. For example, a sunflower. Fifth, Animalia. This kingdom consists of animals include humans, dogs, cats, elephants and humans are all examples of animals. In conclusion, living organisms are a vital part of life on the earth, from the tiniest bacteria to the largest whales. Each organism contributes the balance of nature. We can better appreciate the world around us and the delicate balance that keep it functioning. Thank you.